Hey guys, it's Sissy baby. I am Concordia and welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is my quick on the go makeup look. It's quick, easy, and affordable. Keep on watching. Until next time, enjoy this tutorial. Applying my foundation, I also primed my face in the beginning of this video. I didn't show it, and I also moisturized my face and also my lips with a lip balm. So going into my foundation, and after my foundation, I am also going to set my foundation with a pressed powder. This look is quick and it's easy and affordable. This is my on the go makeup look. This is what I do to just get out of the house and look put together. It is very basic and not that kind of like heavy makeup look, because it's just kind of like few makeup products, which is just foundation, powder, and lipstick, and also I'm just going to draw my brows. So for this tutorial is for those days that you want to look put together but you don't want to do too much. Okay, so if you guys like this, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. If you're new here, I create beauty and makeup contents every week. I upload every week, and also leave down your comments in the comments bar what other makeup looks that you want me to create, and I am going to reply to all of them. So keep on watching and enjoy this tutorial.